Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a two-point perspective for this simple block. As you can see, I have drawn the plan here, and this is my front elevation, and you can see the picture plane. It's touching the plan, and this is my horizon line, and my ground line is below the horizon line. And here the difference is my station point. It's not straight to the point or the corner which is touching the picture plane. So if I show you like this, you'll see this is my corner and my station point is here. So it is not straight. Alright then, let's start. The first step, as you know, what we have to do, we have to find our left vanishing point and the right vanishing point. Okay, so what we have to do for that, let's start with the right vanishing point. So you know that parallel to this line of the plan, we have to draw a line from the station point up to the picture plane. So when it intersects with the picture plane, so I'll draw it straight down, and it should be on our horizon line. So this will be my right vanishing point. Let's do the same thing for the left side. So parallel to this line, I'll draw a line from the station point up to the picture plane. When it intersects with the picture plane, I'll bring it straight down. So this is my left vanishing point on my horizon line. Alright, so we found now left vanishing point and right vanishing point. Well, so our second step is finding the true height or the actual height. How to find it? In this scenario, as you can see, this point is touching with the picture plane here. So we have to bring this point down, since we have to mark the actual height on this vertical line. So I'll bring it straight down till the ground line, and I'll bring the height from my elevation. Alright, this will be my actual height. Okay, once again, why did I mark my actual height here? Because this is the point, this is the corner that touches with the picture plane. So I have to bring it straight down, and I bring the height from the elevation, and on this vertical line I mark the actual height. Now I have to connect with my right vanishing point and left vanishing point to find this direction as well as this direction. As you know, if I have any line with this direction, all these are parallel, I have to connect with my right vanishing point. And if I have any line with this direction, so I have to connect with my left vanishing point. So to find this side, we have to connect the actual height with left vanishing point and right vanishing point. Alright, let's start with the right side. So this is my right vanishing point. I'll connect it. Here we go for the left vanishing point. Alright, we are done. Now we know this edge, so we can find from here to here. So what we have to do, this is my station point. I'll draw a line to this corner. When it intersects with the picture plane, I'll bring it straight down, and it should be within these two lines. So it's clear. Alright, let's go to this edge. Let's draw the perspective part by part. Now I'll locate on this corner. So I'll connect this corner with the station point. When it intersects with the picture plane, I'll bring it straight down. So it should be within my these two lines. Alright, let's start this part. So as you know, this is with this direction. So what we have to do, I have to connect with my right vanishing point. So I will connect this bottom point with my right vanishing point, and I'll extend the line little more. Same thing for the top part. So you can see I extended these two lines through these 2 points, this point as well as this point. So I know this direction now. Now I have to find this corner. What I have to do, I have to connect with my station point. When it touches with the picture plane, I'll draw it straight down, and it should be within my these two lines. Let me darken. Alright, now I know this point which is here. So from here, if I want to find this side, so what is the direction? It should be with left vanishing point as per this. So what I have to do, I have to connect this one with my left vanishing point. I'll connect the bottom and the top. Now I have to draw a line to this corner, and when it intersects with the picture plane, I'll bring it straight down, and it is in between these two lines. So I'm done with my left part. Let's locate on this side. Okay, now let's find this side. So from here to here, this line, it is with which direction? It is with this direction. So it means I have to connect with my left vanishing point. So these 2 points I'll connect with my left vanishing point. So I found the 2 lines. It means this side I already found. So now I have to locate on this corner. So I'll connect this corner with my station point. When it is touching with the picture plane, I'll bring it straight down. You know that this corner or this edge is hidden for us, even though to find this direction we have to find this point. So it is here. I will not darken it because it's hidden. So I'll make it hidden line so it will be clear for you. Alright, now I know these 2 points. What I have to do now, I have to connect this point, the bottom point and the top point, with my right vanishing point. Why? Because from here to here the direction is with my right vanishing point. So I'll connect with my right vanishing point to find from here to here the angle. So this is the point. So I'll connect with my right vanishing point, and this is the top point. I'll connect with my right vanishing point. Okay, now I found two lines. It means this part. So I have to now connect this corner with my station point. When it intersects with my picture plane, I'll bring it straight down, and it should be on this line. So this is the part, this is the only part that I can see. Let me darken that. So this is the 2-point perspective for this variant. I hope it's clear for you how to draw the 2-point perspective for this variant, especially when the station point is not straight with the point or the corner which touches the picture plane, because other variants we had the station point straight to the point which is touching with the picture plane. So in this variant the station point is not straight. So in that case, how to mark the actual height from the elevation, on which vertical line we have to mark the actual height. Hope it's clear for you. Alright then, thank you.